Hey guys, what is up? I'm pretty excited right now because I just got my prize from Targetshot2's competition that I won. And I just put some tape over the stuff, you know, the personal information, whatever. But this thing is like big. I did not expect it to be this big. But I'm gonna have to set the camera down for a second and open this thing up, because this seems like it's gonna be hard. So just give me a quick second. Okay, so first thing is toothbrushes. Very cool. I guess that's to clean coins, you know. So there's some coin wrappers in here. There is some coin. Wait, hang on. Silver cream, Wright's silver cream. That's very cool. I'm gonna have to use that. Interesting. Hold up, there's some more of these coin wrappers in here. One second. Okay. Whoa, they're falling. That's okay. There's also a note in here, but I'll read that in a second. But I'm not sure. I think, well, Targetshot2, his name's Andrew. His birthday was either coming up or a little while ago. So birthday shout out to him. If it's too late, I apologize. But that was very cool. He is also trying to reach, I believe it was 200 subscribers by the end of the year. So thank you, so much for this. It was really cool. I enjoyed the contest. So if you guys want to, you can go subscribe to his channel. If you like my videos, you'll definitely like his videos. He does coin hunting and metal detecting, all the coin related stuff, you know. So I guess thank you guys for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.